Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So this is the last day of the month, 30th of November. So I'd like us to start analysis with Euro USD. We have it here. We'll look at it from the monthly time frame. So I'll delete the trades we are having on our screen. This is what we have. We had a very good downtrend, and somehow the price is now picking momentum to the upper side. So if we look at this keenly, it looks like the price may likely be heading for a buy up to somewhere around this level here. I'm going to explain that. So if you traded the head and shoulders before, you can see this. We have this, and then we have this here, and then we have this, then we have this, then we have this upwards, and then we have a downtrend, and then we have now an uptrend. So basically this is a very good place where the price just broke above. This is a very good level. Let me highlight it so that we're able to see it clearly. This is a very good resistance level. It was used as a resistance. It was a support here. Recently the price just broke above it. As we're speaking now, the price is still above the same place. So basically this should be a very good place to look for a buy position from. As long as the price remains above these two lines, expect that the buyer should be able to push price upwards at least up to this level here. If this level is broken, then expect the price to continue upwards at least up to the next level, which is this one here. So the idea here basically will be to keep looking for buy positions. Expect the buyers to push price upwards with the first target at this price, the next target at this price here. The next set is GBP USD. Here also we are looking for buy positions. So if you have a buy position on Euro USD, expect the same buy on GBP USD. So look at the previous week's candle, which is this one. This is a very good continuation candle. What it means is that despite the fact that the current candle is actually sell, we still do expect that the buyers should be able to push price upwards. So this is the best place to look for a buy from. If you're on the weekly chart, this should be the best place to look for a buy from. So if we see any retracement back to these two lines, somewhere within those two lines, then that will be where we'll be looking for buy positions. We will expect that the buyers will be pushing price upwards from within this level back towards this point here. So on the daily chart, let's see what we expect. On the daily chart, there is nothing much except for a shape which we had previously. So we had that, and then we had that, so we have like a resistance. We have a resistance, there is a break above, we have a support, and we expect some support around this area here. So if you're on this chart as you're speaking now, this should be the best place to look for a buy from. Somewhere in between these two lines, this somewhere along this line here should be where we are supposed to pick up a buy position from. Expect that the buyers will push price upwards at least up to this point here. So we have this level, we have a very good level here. We have a support, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, there's a break above, we have a support. If the price can come down and touch somewhere within these two lines, this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. We are expecting that the buyers will push price upwards back towards this level here. So that's that chart. My next chart is USD JPY. This should be a good sell. We have a place for selling here. So we have that. We had a support here previously. We had a support. this break below it, then you have resistance. So as it is right now, now that the price is below this level, this is actually a good place to look for a sell from. It's below this line is a good place we want to look for a sell position from. We are expecting that the sellers will continue to push price downwards, at least up to this point here. So on this chart, basically, on this chart as you're speaking now, you're supposed to be looking for sell positions. Expect the sellers to push us downwards, at least up to this level here. So the idea here basically will be to keep looking for sell positions as long as the price is held below this point. Expect us to continue downwards up to this target here. My next chart, I want us to look at is the SP500. So on this chart, I'm looking for a buy. I'm just going to highlight where I'm expecting buyers to come in from. This is the place where I'm actually looking for a buy from. There's nothing much I want to explain on it, except for the fact that this should be the best place you want to look for a buy from within these two lines. Within these two lines, these are the best place to look for a buy from. Expect that the buyers will push price upwards from within these two lines. Your first target is this one. The next target is this one here. So if you're on this chart as we're talking now, you are supposed to be focusing strictly on buy positions within these two lines. Our first target is this one. The next target is this one here. The next chart is Brent oil. On Brent oil, we have a good support here. We have a very good support. We had a support, and we have a support. If the price should break below these two lines, then that should give us an ideal place to look for a sell from. So if the price descends below this line, I want us to wait for a pullback before the price can continue to the lower side. My next chart is gold. Let's look at what we have on gold. On gold, where is gold? Just a second. So we have gold. That is silver. That is silver. We have gold. We have gold here. So on gold, so far we have a very good support here. We have a very good support. This should be the ideal place to look for a buy position from. So if you're on this side as we're talking now, you are supposed to be focusing on buy positions, especially if the price can pull back and touch this line there, the two lines which I've just drawn, the one at the bottom. So we are looking for buy positions, yes, but only when the price touches this level. Our first target will be this line here, and then the next target will be this line here. So we are looking for a buy here. Our first target this one, the next target is this one here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.